All of you, welcome back to our course database management system. So our today's topic is null and is not null in SQL. So in today's lecture we are going to discuss about these two clauses, is null and is not null in SQL. So very first we need to understand what is the meaning of null. What do you mean by null? So null indicates that either value is not available or not applicable. Let's take a simple example of an employee table. So from this employee table, what you come to know that it contains information of employee number, name, job, manager, hire date, salary, commission and department number. So here you found that for Smith commission is not there. That means this is a null. So null means either value is not applicable or it is not available. So here we can say that for employee Smith commission is not available. That means this value is treated as a null. Whereas similarly for the employee Alan commission is 300. That means 300 value is present. That means it's not a null. So wherever you found that value is not available, or you can say it is not available, we can say that it's a null. So handling of that null is very important in case of a database. So null cannot be compared using equals to operator. So this is the important thing that you should know about the null. That null cannot be compared using equality operator. And one more thing that you should know, suppose we add any number to null, it becomes a null. That means null cannot be compared by using less than, greater than, equals to any operator, as well as if you going to perform any kind of operation, suppose addition, subtraction, multiplication or division, you will get the null itself. So handling of that null is very important. So here we can say that for Smith value is commission is null, for Jones it is null, for Blake, Clerk, Scott, King it is null. So here for Turner the value of commission is 0. Whether it is a null? No, 0 is not a null. There is a difference between 0 and null. 0 means what? That person is eligible to get commission, but currently commission for that particular employee, say Turner, is 0. But wherever you will find no value, that means commission is either not applicable or it is not available for that particular employee. So don't consider that 0 and null both are same. Null is different. Null means nothing, it's void, just like that. And 0 means there should be a value, but currently that value is a 1. So to understand the handling of null, here we are going to discuss two important clauses. One is a is null and second one is a is not null. So very first problem, very simple problem that we consider over here, display the details of employee who do not get commission. Suppose that problem statement is there, I want to display the details of an employee who do not get commission. Who do not get commission, what is the meaning of that? Who do not get commission, that means their commission field is null. Okay, so one thing is clear from that problem statement, I want to get the details of those employee who do not get commission, that means whose commission is null. So very simple logic that comes to my mind is that how I will write a query like this: select ename comma commission from employee where commission equals to null. But here suppose you write such kind of query, you will not get appropriate output. Okay, in this case you will not get a appropriate output. Why? The reason is very simple, because null value is not comparable with equals to, less than, greater than or any operator. So that's why you will not get a correct output. Then how to get a correct output for that particular query? So simple thing is there, you need to make use of this clause called as a is null. So how can you do this? Select ename comma commission from employee where commission is null. So as soon as you execute this query, you will get an output. Similarly, one more problem we consider over here, display the details of employee who got commission. So how to find employee who got commission? What is the meaning of that who got commission? Who got commission means whose commission is not null. Okay, here we want to find such a employee who got commission. So there are 4 employees are there who got commission. One is a Alan, second one is a Ward, third one is a Martin, and fourth one is a Turner. Turner is also considered as an employee who is getting commission, but its current commission is 0. So for that purpose we have to make use of is not null. So is null is one of the clause, and another clause is not null. So how can I write a answer for that particular problem? Select ename comma commission from employee where commission is not null. That means it give me a list of employee who is whose commission is not null. So let's demonstrate all this command with the help of live SQL. So here I am going to consider employee table which just I have shown over here. So first problem statement is I want to get the details of an employee who do not get commission, and for that purpose suppose I am writing a query like this: select ename comma commission from employee where commission equals to null. So let's see what kind of output we are getting after executing this. So here you can see that we are getting a message that no data found. Why is it so? Because null value is not comparable. We cannot add anything to null. Suppose we add anything to null, we got a null. Now what is the correct way to get the answer this query? By using is null clause. Select ename comma commission from employee where commission is null. So just I select this and click on run. So I got this output. So here you can see Smith, Jones, Black, Clark, Scott, King, Adams, James, Ford, Miller. These are the employee who do not get commission because their commission field is blank. So it is considered as a null. Then we execute another query, display the details of employee who get a commission. So at that time we are going to make use of not null clause. So select ename comma employee from employee where commission is not null. So it give me a list of employee who is getting commission. So there are 4 employees are there: Alan, Ward, Martin and Turner, who is getting some kind of commission. So here Turner is also displayed because he is getting 0 commission. Null means what? Just we have seen no value. Suppose the value is not available, then we can say that it is a null. So this is what the use of is null and is not null clause in case of a SQL. Thank you.